Good day, everyone. How to stop any annoying notification which you do not want in your Android phone. So, you need to see what exactly you have, and whatever the notification you want to block, you just need to, drag like this to the button and select whatever the notification you have got, press and hold it, and there you will find this notification icon. You just need to click on that, and it says turn off all notification from this app. So you just need to click on turn off like this. Right, this is the best way to turn off notifications of any unwanted apps one by one. All right, so if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.